So guys, I have a new update. So I recently added a character sheet feature. So for those of you who don't know what character sheet is, just a detailed description of each character or a character in your story. So this is important for consistency. Because you don't want a character looking a certain way in one particular scene and then the next scene it looks totally different. So you want a consistent appearance. So I'll quickly show you how it works. So I've created a new project for this demo. So click on Folktale. I already have a script, so I'm not going to regenerate a new one. So here we have a new button for characters. So when I open it up, I see the list of characters in the story. So these are automatically detected. Okay. And this is very, very important because it saves you time. So imagine looking through your script, let's say 3,000 words, looking for all the characters in your story and also determining whether it is worth generating a character sheet for. So here we already have a summary. So this number close to it shows you how many times, how many appearances each of these characters made in your script. So this one made just one appearance. So you might not really consider generating a character sheet for this. So same with this and this, unless it is like very important that you have um, a consistent look, or like how you want your character to look. And also here is a summary of it's telling you whether it's worth generating, like this, like a recommendation of what you should do with this character. So this one obviously is the major character. So it's mentioned or appeared like 24 times in the script. So you can see the recommendation. So a character sheet is strongly recommended. Visual consistency will have a lot of significant impacts. So this one is also recurrent. So recommendation is to also have a character sheet for it. Okay, let's look at this one that has just one. So appears only once or twice. The character sheet is optional. Consider skipping unless their look is important to the story. So this saves you a lot of time deciding. So the goal of this app is just to save you time, like in decision making. So that's basically it. So here we have two options to generate a character sheet. So the first one is to allow the AI to look through the scripts and then determine how the character looks and then generate a character sheet for it. And the second one is uploading an image. So you upload an image and then let AI extract the appearances from the image. Okay, so this is very, very important because as I said before, you want your characters to be very consistent. So and for those of you doing like folk tales and fictional stories, it will be very, very beneficial for you. And also for those of you doing maybe true crime stories, it's also very important because um, if you are doing like a Ted Bundy story and then part of your visuals is using AI generated images to depict Ted Bundy, you might want to like upload the image of Ted Bundy and then generate a character that looks like him. Um, so I'm going to run you through the generation process. So if you want to generate from script, just click here and then generate character sheet. So we are generating character sheet for Amara. So let's wait for like 10 seconds. Yep, so this is the summary of how Amara's cousin looks like. Okay, and then under it you have the attributes. You have the age, gender, like the detailed description of Amara's cousin, facial features, etc. So you can save, you can regenerate, you can also delete. So I'm going to save, and then so one more thing I would like to show you is the prompt details. So this is also a new feature. So it allows you to like specify how detailed you want the image prompt or the video prompts to be. So from auto, so auto lets the AI automatically determine the length. Brief, you want it to be brief. Standard, 50 to 80 words. Detailed, so detailed comes with lighting, composition, atmosphere, etc. And then verbose, 120 to 200 words with precise specifications for every element. Okay, so this is also important for a character specification. So you would want it to be like detailed or like verbose. It gets so the generating character from image, I'm going to show you that with, let me use a true crime story to demonstrate. So have a script, and then I click on characters. So I already have Bella Key's character description, so I can delete it, and then build from image. So I am going to upload Belakis. Okay, I think I have a folder already open for the download. So I am just going to drag. So many folders open. I'm going to drag and drop this. Then generate from image. So let's wait for about 10 seconds. Oh, I am supposed to. So this is supposed to be here. This Charles Nagy. Yeah, but it's just a demo. So this is the description deducted from this image that we uploaded for Charles Nagy. Okay. So battle hardened middle-aged soldier with commanding and intense presence. His most defining feature is thick, dramatic handlebar mustache. So it's describing this guy like very accurately. So look at the attributes as well: 40 to 50, hairstyle, build, stocky, gets. So I'm going to save and close. Yep. So you can also edit. Okay. You also have the option to edit all of these attributes and also descriptions. So I'll just save and close. Okay, so now the next time you generate an image prompt or video prompts where the character is mentioned, you have like the full description of the character for consistency. You get, so this feature is like very helpful. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.